Mobile One.
So I just got done filming the video that I'm titling How to Get Rid of the Monster in the Back of Your Car. It talks about how to get rid of all the stinky smells and the clunking and the rattling that happens in the back of a car. I aired up the spare tire and I got out a paint pen. I thought, you know what, I ought to leave some instructions because, you know, there's a couple of different flip-ups, one here and one here. And I decided to label this one wrench. I labeled that one jack, and then I made marks for unlocked and locked. And then I also took this and I said twist to free, and it shows even which way because these expand to hold it, but you don't realize. And of course gloves, because it looks like sound insulation or whatever. And I just went crazy with this little marker. I'll leave a link in the description for it. But I left a love letter for my wife or whoever borrows the car. And that love letter is just basically, I love you, but then also some helpful instructions, including the star pattern, so that when you tighten it down, it tightens evenly and doesn't fall off. And it says jack and wrench on left, black cover, and gray flip up. So you see the gray flip up, it says wrench, and then this one, of course, like I say, says jack. And then it says loosen lugs before lifting, tighten after, back down. Back down meaning that the car's back down. If you think that this would be helpful or you like the idea, you can get a marker like this in the description. I left a link to Amazon to make it convenient for you. But share it with somebody that you think might be amused by it or you think that might be benefited by it. If you've got somebody that's new to driving or isn't real confident on how to do a spare tire.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to click like and subscribe. Bonus footage at the end.